Welcome back to episode 2 of the Lettuce Grow series. Things are heating up and these are the temperatures that I have to deal with. And yes, my air conditioner is still broken. With running that big grow light, the room is getting really hot in the upper 90s and the lettuce just can't take it. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to pull the plug on this lettuce grow. Still looking at my glass half full, and we're gonna pivot quickly. Never giving up, baby bok choy it is. Let's get started. Also, I do have a AC technician coming out on the 8th, so hopefully we can get this AC unit fixed. And if you made it this far in the video, remember, cultivate kindness one seed at a time. I hope you can join me on episode 1 of the Bok Choy Grow series. Thanks for watching.